Brazing and soldering are metal joining processes that have had a significant impact on the world in several ways. Manufacturing, brazing and soldering are essential processes in manufacturing, allowing for the fabrication of complex parts and components for various industries such as automotive, aerospace, and electronics. Repair and maintenance. Brazing and soldering are also widely used in repairing and maintaining machinery and equipment, extending their useful life and reducing waste. Advancements in material science. Brazing and soldering have contributed to the development of new materials and alloys, expanding the possibilities for various applications. Economic growth. The use of brazing and soldering has contributed to economic growth, creating jobs and generating revenue for the manufacturing industry. To improve brazing and soldering, several advancements can be made. For example, automation. The use of automation and robotics can improve the precision and efficiency of brazing and soldering processes, reducing errors and increasing productivity. Environmental sustainability. Improvements in environmental sustainability can be made by using more eco-friendly materials and reducing the waste and emissions generated during the brazing and soldering process. Safety. Advancements in safety features and protocols can reduce the risk of injury or harm to workers during brazing and soldering operations. Skill development. Improvements in training and education can help develop skilled workers who can perform brazing and soldering operations more effectively and efficiently. In summary, brazing and soldering have had a significant impact on the world by facilitating manufacturing, repair, and maintenance, contributing to material science advancements and economic growth. To improve brazing and soldering, advancements in automation, environmental sustainability, safety, and skill development can be implemented.